Hello everyone, this is WhatJ, and this time we're talking about the very special Rolex Deep Sea Sea Dweller, the only Rolex with a deep blue dial in blue to black gradient. The 44mm stainless steel case with titanium case back is quite bulky, but it is waterproof to instance 3,900 meters and has a screw-down crown with strip-lock safe system. No, we do not expect you to take it all 4 kilometers into the deep, but it's kind of cool that you actually can. In this case, the unidirectional ceramic bezel and Rolex's patented helium escape valve are there for you. The watch is powered by a chronometer certified automatic movement with 48-hour power reserve and comes on a steel oyster bracelet. Find more on whatj.com.